In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay someone on PayPal with a credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a credit card to issue payments on PayPal is extremely simple. You will be able to get this done through the website, as I'm gonna be demonstrating in this video, or through the mobile app. So choose whichever one you prefer. The instructions are generally going to be the same, so just follow the steps in the video. So you will have to go over to the send and request option. If you are on the website, it is going to be available here at the top of the screen between home and wallet. And if you are on the mobile app, you will most likely have to use the menu at the bottom of your screen. So just find the option to pay or send. Make sure that you select send instead of request, and now you can type out an email, a name, username, or a mobile number. As long as they are registered within PayPal, you will be able to send them the amount of money and they will receive it directly on their account. You also have the option to send an invoice at the right side of the screen. So now input the information here, name, username, email, or phone number, and proceed. You will be able to input the amount and an optional description, so the reason for this payment. Input any reason that you see fit, but even if you leave this blank, that's okay, you can still proceed. Now, once you input the amount, you will initiate this transfer and choose the payment method. So I'm going to try again with this business here, and then choose next. As you can see, the main payment methods are going to appear, so you will see a card or a bank account. If you want to use strictly a credit card, then choose the option to link a new card. Now you are able to choose between debit or credit, select credit, and input all of the necessary details. So you will have to input the credit card number, the expiration date, security code, and possibly your billing address and cardholder's name. As long as you choose all of the options here, you input all of them, and they are valid and legitimate, the transfer will be started through PayPal, and your recipient will receive the money directly on their account. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay someone on PayPal with a credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.